Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Dr. Nurhafiza Muhammad Arifin from Faculty of Computer and Mathematical Sciences, UiTM Shalom. We'll share with you our learning objective 2 for chapter 4, which is about project stakeholder management. Okay. First of all, we will look at the learning objectives. Okay, to apply the concept of earned value and discuss how earned value provides a means of monitoring and forecasting a project progress. So, to have some understanding about earned value, we look at the definition of earned value. It is a way to measure and monitor the level of work completed on a project against the plan. We can summarize that earned value is a quick way to tell if you are behind schedule or over budget on your project. Okay, there is several concepts that related to earned value, such as budgeted at completion, or the acronym is BAC, which we can define as the total budget for our project. Then planned value, or the acronym is PV, which we can define as the planned or budgeted cost of work scheduled for an activity or component of the work breakdown structure. And actual cost, which the acronym is AC, and we define it as the actual cost incurred for completing an activity or component of the work breakdown structure. So, to have some understanding about earned value, first of all, you have to know what is work breakdown structure. And of course, you have learned it in the previous chapter. Okay. Now, this diagram show you about the concept of earned value, PV. Okay, the planned work. So this is our plant. Okay, and then AC is the actual cost, what the work actually costs, and EV, earned value. So this is the definition of earned value. It's equal to actual work accomplished. Okay. So we can have some comparison between PV, SC, and EV. Okay, and here, okay, you can see that the position of budget at completion. Okay, so it shows the total cost of the project. Okay. To have a more understanding about earned value, we have a case study. Suppose you just sign a contract with a consulting firm called Proxima for developing an AI system. So the project budget is 40,000. It was scheduled for 4 months and it will have 20 tasks that evenly divided over 4 months. And the cost of each task is 2,000, and so we have 5 tasks per month, because we have the schedule of the project is 4 months, and by evenly divided it, so we have 5 tasks per month. Okay. We can develop the table to show the task and the month. and the cost for each task. So this we can gather from the information. Okay. Now, so based on the case study, okay, our planned value for each task is 2,000. And the planned value for each month is 10,000 because we have 5 tasks for 1 month. So 2,000 times 5, we got 10,000. And budgeted at completion, in our case, is 40,000. So it is our BSC, since this is what we expect to pay for the completed project. So in other words, we can summarize, okay, the BSC is the total cumulative planned value. So we have a planned value and we have a budgeted at completion, and this is the length of schedule. We have 4 months and we have 40,000 for budget. Okay. Suppose at the end of month 1, we receive the following invoice from the Proxima. Okay, a module 8,000, and you have to pay immediately. Okay. Yeah, this look good news, but then because we are expected to pay 10,000, but we are only being billed for 8,000. So the question are we really ahead of our budgeted or planned value by 2,000? Actually, we have to do some investigation here. Actually, it depends on what work was accomplished for the 8,000 that is due. So we look to the details of the invoice. Okay. Now, this is the invoice. Work completed for month 1, task 1, 2,000, task 2, 3,000, task 3, 2,000. Okay. It appears that only 3 of the 5 tasks scheduled to be completed in month 1 were completed as planned. In fact, 2 of the tasks cost more to complete than originally estimate. So it shows to us that maybe things are not as good as we thought. Okay, this is what we plan as a planned value. Okay, this is the actual cost, okay, that we have to pay, and based on the earned value, okay, with the 3 tasks completed and the cost of each task that we plan is 2,000. So actually, we should pay only 6,000. Okay, meaning that it's not good as we thought at first. Okay, so we can see here, we are spending 8,000 to achieve 6,000 worth of work. Okay. So this is the meaning of why we compare between the planned value, actual cost, and the earned value. Okay. So for the conclusion, we need earned value because we want to measure the performance of the project progress that tell us how much of the budget we really should have spent for the work that was completed. So in the case study, we need to pay our consultant 8,000 in actual cost, even though we should be paying them only 6,000. So this 6,000 is called the earned value. That's all for our sharing session for today. on our Learning Objective 2, Chapter 4. Thank you very much for your attention and have a good day. Bye.